Every Gratz apparatus tells its own story, shaped by hand, built with purpose, and held to exacting standards. Here you're seeing the detailed CAD models behind our reformer, where exact dimensions, weights, and design details are defined as part of our engineering specifications. This is our spring cycle tester, which is used to simulate long-term use and evaluate durability over time. Here are some photos of our precision force testing equipment, which is used to measure and verify the performance of every spring. That same precision continues in quality assurance. As designer reformer frames arrive, our QA team inspects each one for defects or abnormal surface marks. As shown, this frame had markings that did not meet our standards and did not pass initial inspection. QA then verifies the reformer's length and width, confirming it's on spec before entering production. The frame is then checked for square using a plywood check gauge. QA then unwraps and inspects each reformer carriage upholstery, along with the headrest and shoulder blocks, confirming that there are no rips, pulls, or damage before upholstery begins. This step ensures only approved materials move forward into production. Every apparatus begins with raw materials, cut to precise lengths, prepared for machining and polishing. Preparation for machining and then polishing ensures each component is accurately formed before finishing. Precision TIG welding of the aluminum reformer frame is performed by our artisans, creating strong, clean joints that define the integrity of the structure. The footbar support welds are inspected by QA to confirm it is on spec and is free of defects. The shoulder blocks are inspected as well, checking the condition and overall finish of the welds. Fabricated parts are carefully finished, deburred, and polished, including the strap angle that connects leather straps to the carriage frame. Sharp edges are removed, refining the feel of every touch point. Aluminum reformer frames are then sanded for a smooth surface before final assembly. The designer reformer frame receives its final finish in the spray booth, applied evenly and with care to achieve a smooth, consistent surface along the frame. In upholstery, materials meet craftsmanship. This is where comfort, durability, and function come together by hand. Our team prepares, stitches, and sews the upholstery for each reformer headrest pad. Each seam is placed with intention, ensuring a secure fit, long-term durability, and a consistent feel in use. Every upholstered component is shaped to support the body while standing up to years of daily practice, balancing firmness, comfort, and resilience. Assembly brings departments together. Each carriage frame is checked for square and width, critical for consistent fit, smooth motion, and proper guide wheel tolerance. Upholstery fit-up begins on the carriage frame insert. The team partially upholsters the carriage frame, mounts the aluminum carriage frame, then folds the upholstered edge over the front of the carriage. This assembly is a marriage of components from upholstery, metal fabrication, and the woodshop, bringing the carriage into its final state. Before the guide wheels are installed, the mounting block is carefully preset on the carriage frame. This step establishes the foundation for proper wheel alignment and spacing. Positioning the block accurately helps ensure the guide wheels sit square to the frame, allowing the carriage to travel smoothly and consistently once assembled. Then begins the assembly of the guide wheels onto the carriage frame. The team checks the alignment of the metal bearing in each wheel before assembly, truing the face of the bearing to the rubber face of the wheel to help ensure a consistent fitment. We then apply a measured amount of the Molykote grease into each bearing, insert the axle bolt, and mount the wheel to the carriage frame. This total assembly helps to create the resistive, non-free spin characteristics our reformer wheels are known for. In assembly, each strap length is verified to confirm it matches the reformer frame length. Our QA team scans a barcode to bring up customers' info automatically and begin the QA process. Inspection of the reformer frame includes documenting each corner to verify it is free from material and production defects. We do this to ensure frames are free of cracks and any type of craftsmanship flaw. As you can see, a part of this frame leg needs to be buffed out a little bit more before it is shipped to a customer. Our QA team then uses a frame check gauge that verifies squareness and critical dimensions, ensuring each aluminum frame meets Gratz standards. Shoulder block and headrest fitment is inspected and documented, verifying the upholstery sits tight to the aluminum support with no gaps, and that all strap, shoulder block, and headrest components are in place before leaving our factory. From there, footbar motion and cover type are documented to confirm proper function and operation. The gear stopper is checked for precise fit within the reformer rail at the front of the carriage and at the back of the carriage. Upholstery color is verified against the work order and master control swatches to ensure the closest possible match. QA then moves to the carriage wheels. First, the larger 3-inch reformer wheels are verified for proper installation and secure mounting. These wheels support the weight of the carriage and play a key role in smooth, consistent travel. Next, the guide wheels, the smaller 2.5-inch wheels, are checked for lubrication and controlled spin. Our team inspects the reformer box and all included accessories, confirming everything is present, approved, and ready for packing. The reformer box itself is also checked to ensure the upholstery is free of rips, pulls, dust, or any type of damage. Final surface touch-ups are performed on the frame, cleaning up any minor surface marks to ensure the finished product is pristine and uniform before arriving to you. During final inspection, the carriage is tested for smooth, controlled movement, gliding evenly through the frame from start to finish. In addition, our team physically tests the reformer, listening and feeling for smooth, quiet, controlled movement. Once our QA team passes inspection, the reformer moves into packing. Each reformer frame is carefully cleaned, then wrapped by hand. A protective layer of bubble wrap is applied first, safeguarding the finish and preserving the quality achieved through every step of the build. Finally, the frame and carriage are thoughtfully loaded into the reformer box, secured and protected for transit, complete, carefully prepared, and ready to be shipped to you.